In day 6, we will connect the AI concepts into a simple AI application. A simple AI app receives a user question, prepares a prompt, sends it to an AI model, and displays the answer. In this example, the user question is, what is artificial intelligence? The first function prepares the prompt. It changes the user question into a clearer instruction for a beginner. The second function simulates an AI model. This is not a real AI API yet. It only helps us understand the structure. The third function displays the final answer. Now the run AI app function connects all steps together. It prints the app name, shows the user question, prepares the prompt, calls the simulated AI model, and displays the answer. Now I run the program. The output shows the basic structure of a simple AI app: input, prompt, model, and answer. Day 6 is complete. Next, we will improve this by allowing the user to type their own question.